ABB, the global leader in power and automation technologies, has been present in India for over 6 decades under various identities as Hindustan Brown Boveri, Asia Brown Boveri, and then ABB. The company has been a part of the Indian growth story. Work at its largest Indian facility, Maneja in Vadodara, began with the establishment of the circuit breaker and instrument transformer factories in the early 60s. In the 50 years since inception, ABB's operations in Maneja have evolved from strength to strength to stand as a significant engine of growth for the company today.
ABB Maneja is the largest location in ABB India. 50 years back, we started at this location by 25 kV circuit breaker for railways. Today, we have 12 manufacturing factories, R&D center and state-of-art training center. We were the first one who did first 400 kV substation in India in the state of UP.
The circuit breaker and instrument transformer factories were the first to be set up at the premises. The circuit breaker range evolved from oil circuit breakers to air blast circuit breakers and SF6 circuit breakers. ABB has been pioneering transformer and HVDC technology in the country. As early as 2003, our factories in Maneja supplied 9 154 MVA 11 kV to 420 volt generator transformers to the Narmada Hydro Development Corporation. Our engineers tested ABB India's first single-phase ultra-high voltage 1200 kV alternating current power transformers at Maneja. The landmark 1200 kV transformer and circuit breaker was supplied to India's largest electric power transmission utility, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, for their national test substation at Bina. Our efficient plug-and switch system, PAS, has enabled Tata Power to improve capacity and reliability of more than 10 substations in the Indian megacity of Mumbai.
Our relationship with ABB has been very strong and close. We have been taking their services in almost all the areas of the equipment, supplies, services, and we hope that this relation will strengthen day by day, and ABB will continue to contribute significantly for the nation as well as for our GetGo.
Renewable energy is a key thrust area for ABB, and our product portfolio has a number of solutions to facilitate clean energy. Our factories in Maneja supply generators, live tank breakers and transformers to solar and wind power projects of leading brands in these sectors. Engine performance and energy efficiency is another core focus area for ABB. More than 3,000 turbochargers have been supplied to the Indian Railways from Maneja. Products manufactured at the Maneja facility are of global standards and leverage our heritage of innovation. Today, Maneja exports close to 20% of what it manufactures. It is also the global focused feeder factory or sole provider for ABB Group requirements of ED breakers, FSA drives and 605 series relays. Circuit breakers are exported to over 80 countries. Key to our growth and presence on the global manufacturing map has been the increase in sourcing from local vendors. Over the last 20 years, local input in manufacturing has increased to 93%. ABB's commitment to high-quality output has also shaped our relationship with our suppliers and created a symbiotic partnership.
We have been associated with ABB for the last 48 years. Over these years, we've learned so much from ABB that we consider ABB as a stakeholder in this company. We've picked up the best practices in terms of manufacturing, in terms of HR, and we have been able to learn a lot in this journey. We continue to learn and grow with ABB.
Research and development is a vital source of ABB's technology leadership. At ABB, we're not limited by our legacy. Our training centers provide up-to-date technical expertise for existing and new products, processes and technology advances. Among others, Maneja hosts a power technology training center for customers, a high-voltage power products training center, and the Global Turbocharger Knowledge Center, the only one of its kind outside of Baden, Switzerland. At ABB, we invest in the success of our people through sustainable employment generation, training and development, all with the highest standards of safety and enabling policies.
पिछले 35 साल से मैं ABB में नौकरी कर रहा हूँ और मैं ये महसूस कर रहा हूँ कंपनी के साथ साथ एम्प्लॉइज़ का भी ग्रोथ हुआ है। लास्ट 25 इयर्स में कोई भी थर्ड पार्टी इंटरवेंशन होने का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ा और वी आर वर्किंग एज ए वन टीम। उसका रिजल्ट से हमारा नया प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे और न्यू फैक्ट्रीज आ रहे और नया एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन भी हो रहा है।
The investment in the region continues with the installation of new capacity for manufacturing high-voltage gas-insulated substations and fast hybrid switchgears at Savali. ABB reiterates its continued commitment to advancing technology and to India. At ABB, our experience makes us future-ready.